In today's episode, I'll show you how to replace a battery on this rose gold D&G watch by Dolce Gabbana. From removing the bracelet, to opening the back, putting in your battery, and closing the case back. Simple. If you're ready, let's go. Welcome, watch people, to today's episode. This is going to be another straightforward battery replacement for a DW0242 D&G. Now, it's got a flat case back. It's a just a pushed-in case back. It's got a lip right here. You can just pop it open with a knife, but we'll just have to remove the bracelet. It is in the way, and to remove that, we will just have to use a push pin. So, first and foremost, let's just clean it around the area. Get rid of any debris, just to make sure it's all sparkly clean. And then once that's done, we can go ahead and push the pin out of the way. Okay, so just push it out. And once it comes out of the other end, you can grab a small small pair of pliers and just pull it out. Nothing really to it. So unlike other watches that's got a spring bar, this one's just a push and pull pin. It's a bit of a resistance, but once it's out of the way, there we go. All done. And that should free up the bracelet. Well, let me just show you. Yep. Excuse the grime. Now, you should have a clearer view of the lip on the case back. I'll just show it to you right here. Grab the screwdriver. So it's this one. That's where we're going to put the knife in. So let me just get the Swiss knife. And what you do is just glide it in there, in between the case back and the case itself. Just gently put your knife in there and twist and pop it open. Here we go. Okay. Now there's a trap here to be aware of. It's the gasket. Most of the time, if you're not careful, it'll break in two, or it'll snap, it'll tear. And because I don't have a spare gasket, I like to preserve this. So I'm going to be careful and set it aside. Okay, now just for a photo shoot. And here's the watch movement. Okay, I think now we can start removing the battery. And we'll just get that out of the way. And the new battery, we can put it in. It's an SR616SW or a 321. And unfortunately, the watch doesn't have a seconds hand, so I can't tell, or I can't show you if it's running. But I'm sure it is. So now that we got the new battery in there, it's time to put the lid back on. So just make sure the notch on the case back fits the goes into the winding stem. And on this occasion, I can get away with just using my fingers. It's just pushing it firmly down until you hear a click. And once that's done, just have a look around and see if everything's sitting properly. There's a good seal all around, and I'm happy with that one. So next we'll put back the bracelet, in just the same way we did earlier. We'll just do it in reverse. We'll align the holes, make sure it's all straight. And then we just push the pin back. Well, as long as the holes are aligned, yeah. Okay. So just firmly push it back. Be careful not to bend the pin. And once you get close to pushing it all the way in, you can use the back of a tweezer. I'll just grab my tweezer and I'll show you. Yep, no need to use a hammer, just push it in. And that's it. All done. How easy was that? Well, now I hope that you've learned something from this video and that you'll be able to easily change watch batteries next time. It's really nothing to it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button. And if you'd like to support my channel, just hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified of future videos.